All right, guys, here's a quick breakdown of the truck and everything we basically did to it. We get a lot of questions about the motor and what we did to the motor, and obviously the header is totally custom. I built a 4-into-1 style header using 1 3/4 primaries, full stainless. Had the header flange custom made down there, water jet cut, all out of 304 as well. It's got a 4-in-1 merge collector down there. Kind of hard to see from here, but went 4-to-1. Didn't want to build. Kind of thought I was gonna do a 4-to-2-to-1, but 22R makes a ton of torque as it is already, so I figured it could use the 4-in-1 to give it some more high RPM, since they're not big revvers. But so header seems to work out pretty good. Truck feels great driving it, actually. Distributor here, we remove the vacuum advance, and I weld them on the inside to make them solid. They're basically locked out. Makes the motor a lot peppier instead of having like a 5-degree timing set at idle. Takes it a lot higher than that, so the motor feels very, very responsive, and no detonation. We run 93 octane. And the motor feels, like I said, feels good. Got a little blaster coil over here. It's got a 6AL inside. Running a 82, late 82 Toyota Corolla alternator. Uses just a 1-wire setup, basically, to trigger it, power it on. Built-in voltage regulator, so we remove the regulator that used to be over here. Clean up the whole engine bay some. On this side, it's got 45 DCOE Webers. Mounted the fuel pressure regulator down there. I'm running a return style setup on this setup to basically regulate the pressure better. A lot of those deadhead systems, the pressure kind of is all over the place, so I like to run a return style system just to keep pressure consistent. That way it's constantly flowing whatever it needs. For the carbs, it's basically there all the time instead of a deadhead system. Took off the stock fan here, ran an electric. It's got a 12-inch spout, so actually stays very cool. This thing won't even pass 150 degrees, which is a little colder than I would like it, but better than running too hot. Inside here we got a custom cam built by Webb for us. It's got a little under 500 thousandths lift. I didn't want to get too crazy to stress the valve train out. There's a video or a picture I shot with the valve cover off when I was adjusting the valves, and I'll put that up after this, show you guys the inside. And all ported the intake, stock valves still, but ported the intake and exhaust the way we normally do. It tried some different things on the intake. If anybody who knows a 22R intake port's very weird in design. It's got like a swirl to it, and just tried different things. Seemed to work out pretty good. The thing feels strong. It's got eagle rods down in the bottom end. Custom Traum pistons. They're 1101. We went 40 over also, just to give it a little bit more pep as well. And man, the thing runs great. I'll put some videos up now of it driving, and haven't done a full throttle pass, just trying to let the motor break in. I'll let the owner do that, and hopefully he could send me some footage of it after. All right, stay tuned with some videos coming up. Later. All right, here's a quick look at the full exhaust we built for the truck, for Ken's 82. It's got the merge collector over there to a 2.5-inch pipe, all stainless, 2.5-inch. Runs back here. We got a MagnaFlow 2.5-inch muffler also. And at the very back it steps up to 3-inch. Figure we did something a little different just to give it some more aesthetic appeal. You get a better look at the 3-inch exhaust right here. Doing some checks here, give you guys a look on the inside of the head. You can see we got our dual springs there with our custom titanium retainers. It's got a custom ground cam specifically for this build, and I'm just checking the valve adjustment now just to get everything. Well, now since the motor's been hot and all that, cam should be pretty well worn in, and adjust the valves, put it all back together, fire it back up. Drive.
This thing sounds so awesome.
Some jetting, so this is the first time we drive it. It's got stock jets in it just to see where it stands, and I'll definitely have to richen it up, but it drives great. This thing stays super cold, doesn't even get hot. Look at that. Oil pressure is good. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video of the truck. Trying to get more videos of it running, power runs. It was brand new, so I didn't want to step on it too much. Gave it to the customer, he could have some fun. But we'll see him again soon, and we'll get some gnarly videos of it. Coming up next, I got these cranks. I'm going to put some videos up of 3S cranks, ranging from stock 3S, billet stuff we run. So I'm going to go in depth detail about them. And also some cylinder heads that I got back, machined, ready to go. Going to be assembled, these 3Ts and this 2RZ that's going to be shipped off this week. So I'm going to get a video about them just to give you guys some information. Also this block that's going to go together for a good customer of ours in New York. So stay tuned, man. It's going to be cool. Subscribe, like, tell your buddies, and stay tuned. See you later.